Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm here at another barbecue lights, and surprisingly, there's another prize with the string that's almost ready to be cut. You see that? Looks like somebody cut it once but didn't bother to try to finish it again. The same thing as I won the old iPad Air before. So let's give it one try and see what happens. Here we go. First line up on top. Perfect. And last but not least. Too soon. If you're watching this 302 Re, it's hard to tell if you're holding the camera and playing at the same time. That's what I've been doing. But it's best to leave it like this. If you want to leave it like this, you can leave it there and while playing it at the same time. Let's try again. Yep, it's gained damage. One more try and see what happens. You know, to be honest with you, everybody, it's been a while since I won an Angry Bird with gift card. The last time I won was here with the big green Angry Bird with GameStop $25, as I recall. So yeah, it's been a while since I won something here at AMC Great America. But Keymaster, I see something interesting, but it's not the same similar as the barbecue lights. I see one AMC gift cards. $100 and 20 free movie tickets. So let's show this to my new friends who got applied for the job at AMC.
Got it?
Yep.
That's what's up. Yeah, and you get a gift card. Nice, dude. That's what's up, man. Congrats.
And now I'm going to download this video on YouTube.
Wait, what's the video called? YouTube called?
Barbecue Light. Oh, you mean my username?
No, just like what do I type in?
Yeah, Barbecue Light.
Yeah? Okay. You record on your phone or something?
Yep.